And now we have to rewind the brake caliper pistons with the diagnostic tools. What you're gonna do is to find OBD port. Find it is, in my case, is here. This is the OBD port. Most of BMW's new ones, they are here. The old ones, they are here. So you find the OBD port, take off the dangle, just put it correctly like so. Okay, don't push the brake. You don't have to push the brake, just push the start button so that the ignition is on. Press that auto wind detection. Okay, it will turn off ignition and in 10 seconds turn it back on. And one more thing, before you try to rewind, you have to disable the parking brake. Press this one. Now it's on. So yes, now it's released. When there is no red lights, this means that it's released, it's open. So now you go to hot functions and EPB, workshop mode, communication with control unit is okay. This is the service function is used, activate and deactivate. Okay, this is all the what you must read. This automatic hold brake, everything must be switched off, disabled. And then you go to activate the installation position. It's F1. The activate installation position function has been selected. Release the parking brake, operate the foot brake and press the parking brake button. Release the parking brake takes about 3 seconds. Next steps: release the state. I don't know if you have released. And yeah, now we're done. We leave this here until we are done, then we come back to deactivate again and switch off. We don't need any more of this. And since the brake piston is rewind, just put screwdriver here and push it all the way back in, just like this. You see, now it's okay. Okay guys, now the brakes, rear brake discs have been replaced, so we have to retract or rewind back the brake pistons again to the working position, and the dangle is connected, so all we have to do is push the start button again, ignition on, don't press the brake, and when it's on, we have to go back to connect again. So we go here, we go to hot functions, EPB, EMF workshop mode, and again communication okay, and when we replace the brake disc, we had to activate installation position, which was the F1, but now we press the F2 to deactivate the installation position, which is this one. The deactivate installation position function has been selected. In the next step, the parking brake button will be reactivated. Function check the function of the parking brake. Therefore, the steps below must be performed. Apply the parking brake, release the parking brake. Note, the process of securing the parking brake will take about 10 seconds because the automatic hold brake is still in the installation position. The application and releasing of the parking brake is audible. Okay, let's try. As you hear, yeah, now it's working. Yes, that's how you rewind, activate the insertion position and deactivate the insertion position with the Autel device. But make sure read the instructions carefully when you do this.